The search for life, habitable planets beyond Earth, appearing on screen. Hello, space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if there are other planets out there that could support life, just like Earth? In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of exoplanets. Those mysterious planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system that scientists believe might just have the right conditions for life. Buckle up as we explore these distant worlds, the criteria for habitability, and the exciting possibilities they hold. Before we dive into specific planets, let's talk about what makes a planet habitable. The key factor is location, location, location. For a planet to support life as we know it, it needs to be in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, around its star. This is where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. But that's not all. A planet also needs to have a stable atmosphere with the right mix of gases, a rocky surface where life could potentially take root, and a magnetic field to protect it from harmful cosmic radiation. Now that we know what to look for, let's explore some of the most promising exoplanets discovered so far. Let's start our journey with some of the most exciting exoplanets that scientists believe could support life. First up, we have Proxima Centauri b. Proxima Centauri b is the closest known exoplanet to Earth, orbiting the star Proxima Centauri just 4.24 light-years away. This rocky planet lies within the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could potentially have liquid water on its surface. However, because it orbits a red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri b is subject to intense stellar flares, which could make the environment challenging for life as we know it. Next, we have the TRAPPIST-1 system, a fascinating star system with 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. These planets have captivated scientists because of their potential to host life. Imagine an entire star system with multiple planets that could each have oceans, rivers, and maybe even life forms. And we can't forget about Kepler 186f and Kepler 452b, 2 Earth-sized exoplanets in their respective habitable zones. Kepler 186f was the first Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of its star, making it a milestone discovery. Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin, is larger than Earth and orbits a star similar to our Sun. This makes it a prime candidate for further study. However, not all that glitters is gold. Many of these exoplanets orbit red dwarf stars, which, while being the most common type of star in the Milky Way, are notorious for their powerful stellar flares. These flares can strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it barren and lifeless. Distance is another challenge. Even though some of these planets are relatively close in cosmic terms, they're still light years away from Earth, making it difficult to study them in detail. Current technology limits our ability to directly observe these planets, but advances in space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope could soon change that. Speaking of the James Webb Space Telescope, this groundbreaking instrument is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. With its advanced capabilities, we'll be able to study the atmospheres of these exoplanets in unprecedented detail, searching for signs of life, such as oxygen, methane, and other biosignatures. These future missions will help us determine whether any of these exoplanets could truly support life, or if we need to keep searching. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, the dream of finding life beyond Earth becomes more tangible with each new discovery. The big question on remains: are we alone in the universe? While we've found many planets that could potentially support life, we have yet to find definitive proof. But the search is far from over. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering this profound question. As we gaze up at the stars, it's incredible to think that there could be other worlds out there, teeming with life, just waiting to be discovered. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things space. Let us know in the comments which exoplanet you find most intriguing and what you think the future of space exploration holds. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering what lies beyond. See you in the next video.